G'day mining store members. This guide is put together simply to show you how to set up a Loki CLI wallet if you're going to be the main staker of a masternode that you're staking with Mining Store. Alternatively, if you're going to be the second, third or fourth staker on an existing masternode, then you can use the GUI wallet, which is a bit more user friendly. Okay. The GUI wallet you can just download with this link right here from the Loki website. So if you type into Google, if you just simply type in Loki network, then you'll find the Loki website here. So I can exit this one now. Head over to Get Started. And download the GUI wallet if you're the second, third or fourth staker. If you're going to be the main staker, and I'll let you know if you're going to be the main staker, and you're staking around about 5,000 Loki coins at the current date, then you're going to need to download this CLI wallet. And I'm going to show you how to use that today, how to restore your wallet, how to create a new wallet, and then how to stake stake the actual node. Okay, so go ahead and click Install Command Line Wallet. Head down here to this is the GitHub, so it'll tell you in the description whether it's recommended to use the current version or the next version. So just read just here, it says it's strongly recommended to not run this on the mainnet, which means you're going to use the next version. Hefty Hamidal, strongly recommended to download and upgrade to this one. Okay, so 4.05 to 4.04. Head down to this section here, and depending on what operating system you have, if you're running Windows 64, you're going to download this link here. If you're running a Linux operating system, you can download this one, or if you're running a Mac operating system, you can download this one. I'm on a Windows 64, so I'm going to download this one. Now download this to your desktop. As you can see, I have the 4.04 version. I've been away for a bit, so I haven't upgraded to the 4.05, but I'm just about to do that now, so I'll download that. Hopefully that won't take too long to download there. And what you're going to want to do is, once that's downloaded, it's just confirming here, you're just going to want to come across and if you have like 4.03 or 4.04, whatever it is, you're going to want to extract the files into this current folder here. All right. So just give me 2 seconds. That won't take too long to download, hopefully. These are going to be the instructions that I'm going to include in the description of the video, and it's going to show you how to actually use the command line interface wallet. So this is a bit of a blueprint guide for once I finish this. You can download this guide, follow the exact steps on how to set up the remote daemon and create a new wallet, how to restore a wallet from an existing seed, and then this is just a list of a couple of different remote daemons that you can actually connect to. Okay, the last bit that I will add in here is how to run off your own local daemon. If you're going to be using Loki quite a bit, you can do that, or if you really want to have the most, I suppose, secure way of running a Loki daemon, then you can run how to run by local daemon. Okay. So I'll show you how to do that as well. All right, so this has been downloaded now. So I'm going to bring it over here, and we're going to extract these files. Let's extract the files desktop into the existing Loki 4.03. And go ahead and do that. All right, so all those files are now here. I just go into it, Control X to cut them, and then I just paste them and replace the existing files. Okay, so that'll update to the 4.05. You can delete that now. It might be a more efficient way of doing that. That's just the easiest way I find, and then rename this to 4.05. Okay, cool. So we're up to date. Now what we want to do to actually set up your wallet, if you haven't got a Loki wallet yet, and you're literally starting from scratch here, and you're ready to send your wallet, so your Loki coins from say Qcoin to the actual Loki wallet, then what you want to do is follow these steps here. So click Start, which is down here, search CMD down here, CMD, open the command line prompt. The next line is type in, you can just copy paste this, CD file directory, type in CD, so you can't copy paste this one, CD, and then the file directory of Loki CLI folder. You're going to find that file directory by actually clicking on this folder, and then this is your file directory, okay? So the first step, type in CD, space, and then double click here, or single click, and you can right click copy. Now to paste into a CLI command line wallet, command line prompt, you need to right click. You don't do Control V, you just right click. Let's try that again. So copy, right click, and then that'll put it in there. So basically what CD means is it's telling you to open the directory. So once we type in CD and then the directory of the folder we want to open, we click enter. As you can see now, we're now inside of this folder, okay? Now let's check out our guide. So the next step, type in Loki wallet CLI daemon address do pull. Okay, so this is basically connecting to a remote daemon rather than downloading the whole Loki daemon. All right. So I'm obviously getting a bit of a my Norton security is blocking it. So run for this program anyway. If you get any issues, like your daemon's not connecting or something like that, you might need to just uninstall Norton or whatever firewall you have. But in this case, we'll keep running. So I'm going to call this wallet test because essentially that's what we're doing right now. So test, no wallet found with the name, confirm creation of new wallet. Yes. Okay. So obviously there was no wallet found called test. So it's asking me if I want to create one called test, and I'll say yes. Enter a password. We'll just say test, and then we'll say test again. We want to select English or whatever language you're speaking. And again, it's asking us. Allow always. Cool, so that's worked. Now, these are really important and private details, okay, guys? So this is going to be your generated new wallet address, so you can take note of that. That's what you're going to be using to send coins from KuCoin to this CLI wallet. This one here is a view key, so if you just want other people to see inside this wallet, but you want them to be able to access and make transfers, you can use this view key. And then, of course, the most important and most private piece of information here is this seed here, okay? So the large copy, LE, Eclipse, these are all the words for my seed. You want to copy and paste this. So remember, right click to copy and paste, so right click that. It's typed in here. Let's put it into a notepad. That's my seed there, so we'll just leave that there for now. You can exit this now, so we're connected to a remote daemon, which is great, but we're going to exit that, and now let's have a look at what the next steps are. So you can now follow the prompts to create a wallet, which you've done. Make sure to store your seed, so probably save this file on a USB, pop it in a safe, put it on another USB, and put it in another geographical location. That's the best way to kind of secure your seeds. And then what you'll see is it's created these two files here. Now, best practice is to actually cut these, so Control X, and put those on a USB until you need to use them again. Okay. At the moment, we're going to keep them here. So I'll just leave them. But this is basically your wallet and your wallet key. Okay. So take those off if you're not using it, and then when you want to go and log back onto your wallet, you can drop them back into this folder, and then you can pretty much get going with setting up the masternode. All right, so that's created the wallet there. I've got the seed here if I ever need to restore it. I've got that on a USB. If I ever want to open back up to stake on a node, for example, I just follow these simple steps here again. So CD file directory of the Loki wallet, okay, and then type in this, which will connect me to a pool. And this time I've already created the wallet. As we can see, it's right here, test. So it's saying ask for the file name you want to connect to, so test. And then pop in the password, which was just test. and there you go. We've got that exact same wallet that we've connected to. Alrighty, really simple. Takes a little bit of getting used to, I suppose, but as you can see, it's quite easy to use this CLI wallet. All right. Now, the second case scenario is when you've actually already got a wallet and you've already got this seed. Okay, so let's do this. For example, let's just say I'll delete that now, and let's say I've already created this wallet. It's already got my Loki on it. It could be the GUI wallet, and I've just taken the seed, but I need to set it up as a CLI wallet now. Let's go through an example of how we actually restore a wallet from a seed. Okay, so this is going to be the exact same wallet that we're going to restore. So let's go and follow the prompts here again. So to restore a wallet, do the exact same thing. We can delete